welcome everybody to another video. I am your host Aaron Wager, and today we're going to go through the FreeCodeCamp JavaScript questions. Not too sure how many we're going to go through, but we're just going to get out of the way. So for any of you who do not know what FreeCodeCamp is, it is a free coding platform which teaches people to learn to code from absolute zero. Very popular within the coding industry, and I would highly recommend it. The format, as you'll see, the format is very like they give like a brief description of an item, and then it's like a challenge. And so today we're just going to go through some of the questions. We're on the basic JavaScript. I have done some of these before, but we're just going to start from the beginning and just get going. So let's get straight into it. Comments are lines of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Comments are a great way to leave notes to yourself and to other people who will later need to figure out what the code does. So as it shows in the example, this comment, it will not show or be activated in your program. It's just to leave notes for other developers. So this is try creating one of each comment type for yourself. So we're going to say, let's do the first one, the double / this is a comment, and we'll do the other one. This other one is the same in CSS. This is another comment. Alright, next question. Okay, in computer science, data is anything that is meaningful to the computer. JavaScript provides 8 different data types, which are undefined, null, boolean, string, symbol, big-net number, and object. So in this example, we will be creating a variable, and it says use the var keyword to create a variable called my name. Look at our name example, this one here, above if you get stuck. So we're going to create a variable which we use the var keyword, and we're going to call it my name. Alright, next one. Storing values with the assignment operator. In JavaScript, you can store a value in a variable with the assignment operator. The assignment operator is this one here. It is the equal sign. And in JavaScript, there's a big difference between a double equal sign, an equal sign, and a triple equal sign. To briefly describe it, the assignment one is the single equal sign. The strict equality operator is the double equal sign. The equality operator is the double equal sign, and the strict equality operator is the triple equal sign. So it says this code here assigns number value 5 to my variable. We are going to assign the value of 7 to variable A. So we'll just use the assignment operator, the equal sign, number 7, and that's it. Or not. Oh, okay. We are going to define it again and assign it. So var A equals 7. Alright. So JavaScript algorithms and data structures, assigning a variable of one variable to another. So after a variable is assigned to a variable using the assignment operator, you can assign the value of that variable to another variable using the assignment operator. So this code, they've created a variable called myVar. They've assigned it to the value of 5, and then they've created another variable called myNum, and now they are assigning myVar 5 to the variable of myNum. So myVar will now equal 5. MyNum will now equal 5. The above declares my variable with a no value, then assigns it to the value 5. Next, a variable named myNum is declared with no value. Then the contents of myVar, which is 5, is assigned to the variable myNum. Now, myNum also has the value of 5. Assign the contents, so this is a challenge here. Assign the contents of A to the variable B. So we just simply have to write A equals B, and now oh wait, no, we're assigning it to B. we're assigning A to B, so it's the other way around. So B equals A, and now B will equal the value of A, which is 7. Alright, so initializing variables with the assignment operator. It is common to initialize a variable to an initial value in the same line as it is declared. Var my var equals 0. So instead of just writing the variable my var and then writing my var again and then assigning it to 0, instead we can do this all on one line, which is clean code. As the more concise your code is, the cleaner it is, the easier it is for other people to follow and know what you're doing. So we have to define a variable a with var and initialize it to a value of 9. So we're going to say var a equals 9. Okay. Understanding uninitialized variables. When JavaScript variables are declared, they have an initial value of undefined. If you do a mathematical operation on an undefined variable, your result will be NaN, which means not a number. If you concatenate a string, concatenation is when you, it's basically when you plus two things together, like two strings together, and the string is just a it's just a list of characters within quotes. So if you can concatenate a string with an undefined variable, you'll get a literal string of undefined. Initialize the three variables a, b, and c with 5, 10, and I am a, respectively, so that they will not be undefined. So we have to do it up here. So initialize a with 5, b with 10, and c is a string, so we put it in quotation marks at the equal sign. I am a.